Thank you, Dowd. It is with great honor that I stand before you as the mayor of the city of Birmingham, the largest city in the state of Alabama, to welcome our governor and his lovely bride here to be with us today. This is the beginning of a great relationship. And Governor, I think you'll find that the Birmingham community is ready to work with you, ready to be the economic engine that will drive this state towards higher prosperity. And we look forward to working with you. And whatever you need from the mayor's office in the city of Birmingham, please don't hesitate to ask. And we will be following up with meetings to find out what we can do to support your initiatives to help move the state economically. But I will say this. The young lady that's to your right, the president, Ann Garrison, is the head of the greatest economic engine this state has ever seen. And together, united with the business community, the elected community, the university, we can make this state a great state to honor your election as governor of the great state of Alabama. Thank you, Governor.